Welcome to Omega Language Academy. Today we're going to study German A1 certification course. It is the most extensive German course. That means we're going to start from basic and go till advanced. As I said, it is from Omega Language Academy. This is session 1, and remember, Deutsch is the German of German. So German must be called something in German language, right? It's called Deutsch. And Deutsch is official language in these many countries. So if you're learning German, that means you will be able to stay in these countries if language is the barrier. Germany, Switzerland, Belgium, Austria, Liechtenstein, and Luxembourg, all of them. Now, this language itself is divided in 6 different levels, A1 till C2. With every level, the difficulty will increase. And we are at A1 level. That is the beginning, right? All the sessions in the course are divided according to the theme and also A1 exam according to the Goethe Institute. These are the governing bodies of the language German. They will take your test after the course is over, and we prepare you for that course. Every session is based on a theme, and today's theme is introducing yourself and others, definitely in German. Now, hello in German is very simple. You might have heard it. If you're trying to learn German, you might have heard it as hallo. Hello is hallo. How are you is a bit complicated. The reason it is complicated is Germans are very particular about their tone. So they have something called formal as well as informal tone or style of speaking. We have to understand what is this informal and formal, right? So remember, formal tone is used to interact with a person who you don't know or who is elder than you. Any of them. First one, who you don't know or who's older than you use formal tone. Don't worry what is formal tone in detail. We'll see later. Informal tone is used to interact among friends, family, and relatives. That means people you know who you're close to, right? So informal tone is used for friends, family, and relatives. Now, coming to the main point again, how are you? In English, German is wie geht es Ihnen? For now, don't worry about how it is pronounced. Just try to listen to the language so that you grasp, oh, this is how it is pronounced. Don't try to pronounce it yourself, just listen to it. How are you? Wie geht es Ihnen? That is the one, that is the formal one. Informal one is wie geht's. Informal is wie geht's, the shortened form of wie geht es Ihnen. Okay. Hello is also called informal guten Tag, and informal it is hallo. Okay? Like we said earlier, hallo. So formal is guten Tag, informal is hallo. Apart from hello, there are many greetings that we require. Let's see some of them. Definitely not all of them. Good morning is guten Morgen. The tone is a little bit harsh, I would say. So it's not guten Morgen, it's guten Morgen. Good evening is guten Abend. The next one is good night. Good night in German is gute Nacht. Now remember, earlier we have seen good morning as guten Morgen. Good evening, guten Abend, but good night is not guten Nacht, it's gute Nacht. The reason for that is, for now, for your understanding, night in German is feminine. And in feminine, things end with E. That's why it's gute rather than guten. Okay? Great. Now let's have some farewells, that is Abschiede, because we are reaching the end of the video. We'll see some farewells or Abschiede, which is German for farewells, in German as well as English. First one, definitely formal ones, is Auf Wiedersehen. It's a huge word. So German words are like this. You'll find a lot of words combined together. We'll try to break them down and understand them. Auf means off. There are many meanings of off. Wieder means again, and sehen is to see. So Auf Wiedersehen is off, see you again. So let's break it. Auf Wiedersehen. So bye-bye in formal in German is Auf Wiedersehen. Okay? You can repeat when I speak. Auf Wiedersehen. Okay? Informal, there's Tschüss and Ciao. This is from different language, but the Germans use it a lot. Tschüss and ciao. This is informal, and remember, informal is used for friends, family, relative, or people you know for a long time. Alright. Now, semi-formal is something which it doesn't exist in German. We use it in a term for our conveniency. Bis bald, bis morgen, and bis später. Now let me explain here. I'm going to try to help you to remember all of them. Bis is till. So you can remember three of them. Bis, till. Bald is soon. You can use the term mnemonic to remember this word bald. That means soon you'll be bald. So bald equal to soon. Bis bald is see you soon or till soon. Next one. Morgen, where the M is not capital, is tomorrow. When M is capital, it's morning. They are the same words but with non-capital and capital. So this one is tomorrow. So bis morgen is till tomorrow. So you want to say your friend, we will meet tomorrow then. Bye-bye. So you say that directly, bis morgen, till tomorrow. And bis später sounds a little bit like till later in English, right? Exactly, this is what it is. Bis später is till later. Again, bis bald, bis morgen, and bis später. Great. And that was your session 1 and part 1 in it. I hope you understood everything. If you didn't, remember, you can write in the comments. You can also write on the email ID and also on the number provided in the description. Please do that because we will get feedback from you and we can make the course much better for you. Have a nice time. Goodbye.